What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could help you feel happier, less anxious, and more focused? Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what mindfulness can do for you. Let's break down how this simple practice can transform your life, and I'll give you some easy tips to get started. Mindfulness has become a buzzword, but what does it really mean? It's simply paying full attention to the present moment, without judgment. You don't need any fancy tools or hours of free time. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. And guess what? Science backs it up. Many of us struggle with stress, anxiety, or feeling overwhelmed. We're constantly distracted by worries about the future or regrets about the past. This leaves us feeling drained and anxious. But here's the good news. Mindfulness offers a way out. Research shows that practicing mindfulness daily can reduce depression by 19%, lower anxiety by 12%, and boost overall well-being by almost 7%. So how does it work, and how can you start? 1. It calms your mind. When you practice mindfulness, you focus on the present moment, like your breath or the sensations in your body. This quiets the endless chatter in your mind. Over time, it reduces anxiety because you're no longer lost in worries about the future. 2. It improves your mood. Mindfulness helps you notice your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Instead of reacting automatically to a stressful thought, you learn to observe it and let it go. This helps break negative thought patterns linked to depression. 3. It boosts your focus and decision-making. Mindfulness is like a workout for your mind. Regular practice strengthens areas of the brain related to memory and emotional control, improving concentration and helping you make better decisions. You might be wondering, how do I actually practice mindfulness? Well, here are some simple ways to begin. First, start small. You don't need to meditate for an hour. Just start with 5 to 10 minutes a day. Consistency matters more than duration. Next, focus on your breath. Sit quietly and pay attention to your breathing. Notice the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Another method is to try a body scan. Close your eyes and slowly focus on different parts of your body, from your toes to your head. Notice any sensations without judgment. This helps ground your awareness. You can also take a mindful walk. When you walk, pay attention to each step. Notice the feeling of your feet on the ground and the sounds around you. This simple practice helps you stay present. Lastly, use guided meditations. Apps and online resources can guide you through short meditations. They're especially helpful if you're just starting out. The best part? Mindfulness doesn't just improve your mental health, it can also help with daily habits. When you're more aware, you make better choices. You listen to your body, recognize when you're stressed, and take action before you burn out. This can lead to healthier eating, better sleep, and less impulsive behavior. And over time, mindfulness changes your brain. Scans show it reduces activity in the part of the brain that triggers stress. So, with regular practice, you don't just feel calmer, you become calmer. You don't need hours or special tools to see results. Just start with 10 minutes a day. Try focusing on your breath, doing a body scan, or taking a mindful walk. The key is consistency. Remember, it's a practice, not perfection. Have you tried mindfulness? Share your experience in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Mindset for more mindset tips.